Today, we're diving into the wild conspiracy theory that inspired a massive TV phenomenon. A secret government lab, psychic kids, even a monster from another dimension. Sound familiar? You see, Stranger Things was originally called Montauk, and there's a pretty wild reason why. It was all inspired by the Montauk Project, a theory from a series of books by Preston Nichols. The story goes, there was a secret, underground base doing these terrifying experiments on kids. One of the wildest claims is a psychic experiment gone wrong that unleashed a monster. So yeah, the parallels are pretty striking. The show's creators definitely did their homework on this one. To find the answer, you actually have to go to a very real place on Long Island. This is Camp Hero, once a U.S. military base, now home to this giant, creepy radar tower. Officially, the base had a clear military history, from World War II through the Cold War. And that radar? It was powerful. It could spot Soviet bombers from 200 miles away. It was a key part of the SAGE network, a crucial line of Cold War defense. The story actually starts with an even older, even stranger legend from back in 1943. This story claimed the experiment went so bad, sailors were literally fused into the ship's hull. The Navy has always denied it. In fact, ship logs show the vessel was somewhere else entirely. The theory goes, the secret research was moved from that ship to the more secure Camp Hero. Okay, so is there any truth to the science here? Well, that's where things get interesting. A recent study did show that electromagnetic radiation can actually alter brain chemistry in rats. This research looks into influencing brain function, a distant, real-world echo of the story's mind control claims. But that's a huge leap from real science to psychic spies and monsters from the upside down, right? Even the authors themselves kind of blurred the lines, creating this amazing piece of American folklore. So, if it never happened, why do we love this story? Maybe it's all about our fear of the unknown,